Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to turn your Mac into a Wi-Fi hotspot. So your Mac include a built-in internet sharing feature that allow you to share internet connection with other devices. And depending on your connection type and hardware, you can configure internet sharing through the settings app of your Mac. You just need to click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen, then click on system sharing option. Here click on general option and then in the right side panel, scroll down and click on sharing. Now click on I button right to internet sharing and then choose the connection you want to share, and after that select the method or adapter you want to share under two device using, just turn on the toggle right to it. Finally turn on the toggle right to internet sharing and now your Mac will begin sharing the selected internet connection using the options you have configured. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.